Hello, today is Wednesday, the 20th day of March 2013. Quick update, one chart. It will be the 8-day time frame, which means each one of these days represents 8 days worth of trading, and it also takes us back to the start of the breakout in 2010 from the 17 and 3/4 lows to about the $50 high. Fibonacci retracement from that level has been pretty much spot on, as you had a double hit here at support within this lower high. Support, of course, not found here, but since the breakdown in September of 2011, it has managed to have 3 hits pretty much exactly where Fibonacci support is, and resistance has hit pretty much exactly at the same area 3 times. And because you're in this sideways area, or in the middle of those lines, that's neutrality. So it's been neutral since the end of September 2011. That's pretty much now a year and a half of this large nonsense, to say the least. So until you have a clear break above here or a clear break down below this level here, it's neutral. It also gives a lot of people who are trying to get discounts or not buy at the high levels to do so. You've had a long time to do so, and you probably will still have a decent amount of time before things really start to pick up. Now, whether it will have a clear break to below here, I'm going to say most likely not, but obviously unsure. I said yesterday I would not expect for silver to hold and stay below 26 for more than 24 hours, if it even does just that. Now, the current candle that we're looking at is 8 days ending today. And it's a very small size candle. The volatility is only 2.83%. To find 8 consecutive days that has lower volatility than this would take us back to the first day of July in 2003. So it's been over 10 and a half years since we've had a run like this as unvolatile as we are seeing. So how you want to read that, obviously things are really slow right now, but it will set up something very soon, because after all, we've had this big volume with like no movements whatsoever. So I would expect this thing to have a test again of this higher level. What would be ideal would be to either just pull this thing out, find support, and break higher, or for it to find, I've said this so many times now, find the higher low from these levels, which this would be a higher low, and then take this mark out. I don't expect it to have a move down below here, as the combination of the volume that's been going on and the disconnect currently playing in with Eagles, Silver Eagles, and all the other bullion sales getting a lot higher. That's not the way that markets work, but we do know that we have mainly 4 major commercial institutions that control the price. How they're able to control it, or what they're unable to do, is beyond me, because I know some people say, well, if they're just going to manipulate the market, they're just going to keep it crushed lower. That if that's the case, then why did it go from 17 to 50, and why did it even back in the day go from 4 to 17? So that's the few things that I look at as well. The running average here we can see is pretty much around 32. So the average price since this breakout is $32 per ounce as well. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll talk to you later on. Bye-bye.